Kumshi benta ban wanra kajingede ke bajan bat kisamla puli ki barim bat kisamla puli ki berang wan thamai kisamla puli ke Union Christian College umsau khwan ki bana kajat benriu Tripura balatip kumka Tripura Students Federation UCC unit hak artarik nailur kila pelong ye ke program pediang ngobha ye kisamla puli ki bawan join thamai ki bana kajat benriu Tripura ki bawan ban puli hakani ke college ya ke balatip kumka freshers meet arajar arpulai ia kabala pelong ha auditorium hall jangka UCC College. Hakani kesngi lawan bania don lang do samla Donald V Thaba General Secretary jangka Khasi Students Union Central Executive Council harungkat kidkot ke KSU CEC. Umaharaja Prathayot Bikram Kishore Manikia Bahadur Manav de Barma ki MLA jangka Gola Ghati Assembly Constituency, Biswajit Kalai MLA ke Qatar Jala Assembly Constituency, Dr. Surajit de Barma Senior Medical Officer Nazareth Shillong, Uma Shankar de Barma MDC TTADC, Vice Principal ke UCC, Richard Tripura President, Johan Riang General Secretary Lembat Kiwe.
The Khasis and the indigenous inhabitants of Tripura are facing the same problem. You know, when the country of India is born in 1957, everyone is rejoicing that we are suffering. When the elimination of Bangladesh during the Bangladesh Liberation War 1971 was achieved, everyone is celebrating, the whole world is rejoicing because the oppressed people are being free from the country of Pakistan. But the Tripuris and the Khasis are suffering. How to suffer, the world will know about it. We nearly became minorities in our own land. Our lands are being taken, our political rights are being snatched, our economical power are being reduced. We nearly lost almost everything. There are numerous movements here in Shillong, Meghalaya, whereby we demand from the government to address this influx or immigration problem that is still plaguing Meghalaya and the entire northern region. Whenever we go to any program or any meeting, we always like to refer to Tripura. We always like to say, look at Tripura. What happened to Tripura? We should not be like Tripura. But as a matter of fact, we are more or less the same. Yes, we still have political power, but our economical power has been snatched away. Therefore, my fellow students, in order to tackle these problems, it is very important for us to be united as well. Not only the Khasis and the Tripuris, but all the indigenous people of the Northeast region. We should work together to solve our problem. And remember, my fellow students, that as a matter of fact, you can play a very important role for the betterment of your community. In order to have full administrative powers, we need bureaucrats. How do we get bureaucrats? That is, we must work hard, study hard. As a matter of fact, you should enjoy your work, you should enjoy your studies, so that your work and your studies won't be hard. We need more civil service candidates, aspirants. We need tribal IAS, because it is very important to have our own bureaucrats. Your people can understand you much more than another person coming from another state. And yes, bureaucrats can also manipulate with the laws and the governance of a particular state. We need to change all of that, and we need you to be the one. Do not only study the curriculum that is being prescribed by a college or a university. You should read other books, read about other things. You know, for me, ever since I was young, I read about almost everything that I can grasp. I know about the condition of Tripura. As a matter of fact, when I saw saw the movement for the new statehood for Tripura, I used to wonder how can they have a state within their own state. But then I also came to realize, after thorough research, that most of the land, almost about 75%, is still in the tribal hands, which I can now understand why it is very important for the Tripura movement, so that tribals can govern tribals. My dear students, I also saw that in Tripura there is a movement for the development of the Roman script of God. As I said earlier, that we share the same aspiration, I also saw in the newspapers that the people of Tripura are demanding for a unit in the HEU. At the same time, also the movement in the state is to include the Khasi language in the HEU. We hope that one day we can achieve it, and we need everything that we can get, right from the political powers, the politicians, the students, the CSOs, everyone that is concerned about this community. We should get our rights. We, the Meghalaya, Tripura, and Assam, are the only three states that are bereft of ILP. We really need ILP. One scholar from Delhi, from Jawaharlal Nehru University, asked me, why do you still want that outdated law? How can it protect you? If you have ILP, it means that you are building a wall around yourself, and you will not prosper, you will not develop. I replied to that scholar and I told him, yes, we will build a brick wall around ourselves, but with multiple doors so that people can come and enter. That is what we should make the people understand about the importance of ILP to safeguard rights in the tribal. To end my speech, I would like to convey this message to the freshers that remember, you came here to study, so don't waste your time. Yes, have fun. Meghalaya is a nice place. Go to Shillong City also, it's a nice place. But do not be consumed by the enjoyment that is available in this state. Try to balance your time. Remember that your parents.
What you think you become, Nindi the one so, Nini future of Mohai. Aman logo tini ji wan so mo oji thina ko phaye belai sam mo phaye si tini wan so mo di kaham gar gaye khana si future right right amaro phaye khana ka kabama boroni ambition kewa IS kewa dancing kewa IPS so, kyo sustain work khayon so it's good. Balai kaham ji society ji student ro ji sikla especially ji youth ro ni kaham ro so mo ji society ko balai ko so kami thanai inai ko mo se tonai zo to katal pressure so mani ko mo tonai Kejam, zara berapa langsung sebenarnya, berapa freezer sebenarnya, mesti fellowship belai, usia sebenarnya. Kami bagi freezer orang yang cekik malu. Am ini mungkin malu. Sini hawa zaman, sini borong sini laya. MBB college saya, women's college saya, oh college sini borong datang layo. Dia bacing borong sini laya. Ulo si intellectual lo, si okra lo, si senior lo, wang cuma nak aje, sebaik segalai si lagi nanggu, sebaik semua siapa makanya, sebaik si problem siapa makanya, apa begitu officer ini itu fulfill nai, so professor ini kaya dia betul fellowship officers ki beginning ba dini officers semua clear ma phele je norok kaisa tai kesino masu banai kaisa tai kesino thora banai kaisa tai khorosa je ya bumi masu banai si beskan khena apa khana ni bagai kalau kami bagai pada segi bini ham segi bini hawa kata hawa ini jodoh apa bagai kalau kata si ma pa jodoh yes si ma pa si parents of Thakwa Kari Boro, UCC headquarters and Sakori Kubo, Kaham Kori Kadu, all these John Lamsa Somero, Sili Kasan student of the responsibility to Katara, Bahaya Kakanai, officers of Nono, Bahaya Kakanai, one debates Kaino Kami. Because Kataro, no Lama Furumaika Kasaro. Borok di kahabat lang kaise o kata borok nosen naikok ke kan manai jenis society ni sul architect ke nama sai manai norok sai mana jenis tami logi TSF kai tami logi sendiri TSF kai o TSF ka Tripura Student Federation ni bini motu bini aim zon ini buah kayu sahaja, semua sama di sini semua, bisa pakai buah kayu ini buah.